Car, sir.
That's all I want. Nobody doing
Sir,
nothing.
get back in your car. Sir,
You
get back in
violated
your
my
car.
right.
I stopped you for a lawful reason.
All I need, son, is your badge and information.
I can give that to you if you get back in your car.
In the morning.
I have stopped you on a traffic stop.
Artistic graduation.
My name is Lieutenant Colonel Lee Roger Wolfgram, and I am a storyteller. Welcome to the bunker. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Colonel channel. And as I promised, I would come to you from some exotic location. Well, I'm not in my Minneapolis office. I've actually been to my Bangkok office, and now I'm at Koh Samui. I'm going to try this doing the video right here from the beach in Koh Samui. And with that said, here's my video for today. It's cop versus cop, and one cop tries to use his authority. I want to get your thoughts on it, but didn't turn out very well in my view. But here we go. Here's the video. Oh, by the way, always watch Audit the Audit if you want to just see the video without my commentary and an in-depth analysis on a case law basis. That's where you go if you want to see smart-ass comments from me or just observations as a colonel or analysis as an attorney. That's what I bring to the table. Let's go.
On February 6th, 2025, Officer Adams of the Henry County Police Department in Georgia initiated a traffic stop on Lieutenant Derek McClendon, who is the sector supervisor for the Field Operation Division of the Clayton County School Police Department and a deputy with the Clayton County Sheriff's Office.
Camera recording started.
And real quickly, my first observation is why are the lights on here in this? I'm not sure. Is there an emergency going on with this first squad?
120.
Highway 81 and Mitchell Trail.
So here's what I want to say about these.
How can I help you?
What's going on?
I'm doing fine. How you doing?
Well, the tag's coming back, not on file, no warrants. Is it an undercover car?
Well, wait. See, right here, I think a huge missed opportunity here is he just asked a question, right? I mean, it's unusual a cop pulling over a cop, but these days, these cop impersonators are killing people. And I'll show, like right here, somewhere, my editor will put in here, I just did a video on these guys that are rolling around in vehicles that are, you know, ex-police vehicles, and they've got lights on them and they got sirens on them, and they scare the hell out of people. And here in Minnesota, we had a senator that was killed from a guy who was impersonating a cop with a fake cop car. So it's not as far-fetched as you might once have thought.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now listen when you're talking to him. Now listen when you're talking to him. The tag coming. Slow down.
I was just trying to see.
Tell me the reason why you pulled me over.
The reason
what legal reason why did you pull me over?
The reason for the stop is for unregistered motor vehicle.
Did I violate any traffic?
You actually did.
Right now because and it's embarrassing.
Okay, the reason for the stop is.
Let me get your name and badge number and your supervisor.
Officer Adams.
Write it down, put it on the card.
I don't have to do that.
Yes, you do.
No, sir, I
Call
didn't.
your supervisor here. Now you got me late to a meeting. My son's getting his awards right now, and you just pulled me over for nothing.
Okay, it's also showing that
33 years of law enforcement, you just pulled me over for nothing.
Okay.
You see these blue lights. You think somebody just riding around with blue lights on?
It happens all the time.
No, it don't.
Well, it kind of does.
In the office.
Okay. All right, I'll get on the phone with my supervisor.
I want to complain. Put your attorney on phone.
Well, really, if you're in a hurry and you're a lieutenant, wouldn't you respect a guy who's stopping? Because couldn't you just say, oh, really, here, let me call the county or something? There's so many other ways to have handled that right away instead of pulling the old, I'm a lieutenant and what, blah, blah, blah. Honestly, I mean, this could have just gone so much better. So anyway, cops reacting to the cop now, and we still don't have any questions really answered. Demanding a supervisor when you're in a hurry?
Hey, Sarge. So I got this tag. I guess the driver is a lieutenant in Clayton County, I guess. unmarked car, driving around with his blue lights on, and he was wanting me to get you on the phone.
I don't know the.
So the tag's coming back, not on file, no warrants, and and I stopped the car for having the blue lights, and
Yeah, see, I don't know getting out of the other car, coming to this car helps much.
You got me late. I'm gonna sue somebody in a minute. That's how mad I am.
Officer Adams explains that he stopped Lieutenant McClendon after seeing blue lights on his unmarked vehicle and running the tag, which came back as quote-unquote not on file. Under Section 40-8-90 of the Georgia Code, it is unlawful to drive a motor vehicle that is equipped with blue lights unless it is owned or leased by any federal, state, or local law enforcement agency or granted a permit by a state agency to bear blue lights. While Section 40-8-92 of the Georgia Code states that officially marked law enforcement vehicles are not required to have a permit to use blue lights, law enforcement vehicles that are unmarked must obtain a permit for use of an emergency blue flashing light. In this situation, Officer Adams observed blue lights on an unmarked vehicle and found that the registration did not return in the system, raising suspicion about whether the car was properly authorized. Now, because Lieutenant McClendon's vehicle was unmarked and no record of registration appeared, a court would likely find that the stop was justified to investigate potential violations of this blue light statute.
My son,
do you want to?
And really, if the lieutenant really wanted to get this resolved, why didn't he just call his own department and say, get him on the phone, and if you're going to get out of your car and walk back to the squad, say, hey, yeah, we just checked this out. I let them know the tags don't come back. Have a great day. Here's the guy you can verify. Here's the number over there. Let's have all a good day, and I can get on to my son's thing. No, we're going to raise all kinds of hell. And this is all taking extra time.
You want to speak on?
I'm missing his graduation. You pulled me over for nothing. Hurry up, man.
He's getting pretty agitated. He is. Can you get back in your car, sir?
That's all I want.
Sir, get back in your car.
I stopped you for a long
All I need, son, is your badge and information.
I can give that to you if you get back in your car. I have stopped you on the traffic stop.
Artistic graduation. This only
Sir,
happens
get
once
back
in
in
a
the car.
lifetime. No, I'm not. What
Get
you
back
gonna
in
do?
your car. I'm not trying to put no hands on
No,
anybody.
you're not gonna put hands on me.
Okay, get back in your car, please.
I'm not. I'm just gonna pull out. That's what I'm gonna do.
No,
I'm
you're
already
not.
late.
I have to get settled with this not on file registration. Okay?
Hey,
I have to
this
make
Clayton
sure.
County. You see that?
I
Do you
see
want
it's
my
out of
registration?
Clayton County. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Please.
Well, give me your information. It's taking you a long time to
I
do
will
that.
write it down for you.
Hurry up.
Yeah, I probably need one of y'all out here.
Where you at?
I'm on 81 and
382 unit 72.
Mitchell Trail.
Where's your son? Where's your son?
Thank you.
Mm-hmm. 383
Could have started with that.
Simple.
Sir, I cannot do my job if you don't get back in your car.
Got you.
Now what's he doing? He's walking around with his camera or
I'm
something?
trying to get you out of here quick. I just got to figure this out.
I'm late now.
Oh.
I'm late now. My lawyer.
For his lawyer. Really? Come on. You should know it's on the other officer's body camera. And you could have just called your department. Really?
Sir, are you an SRO? Are you?
Over the SRO, Lieutenant Commander.
Okay.
Oh, Deputy Sheriff also, since you disrespect, show you that too. It says Clayton County Sheriff's Office. 33 years.
Well, you should know better after
Says
33
Deputy
years.
Sheriff.
Okay.
Okay. I'm losing respect for the
7 years,
lieutenant.
SWAT team, 7 years. What else you want?
Lieutenant
Leadership.
McClendon states that he is lieutenant commander in charge of the SROs, or school resource officers, at the Clayton County School Police Department, and a deputy with the Clayton County Sheriff's Office. According to Section 20-8-5 of the Georgia Code, school security personnel who are certified by the Georgia Peace Officer Standards and Training Council as have the same law enforcement powers as county or municipal law enforcement officers, including the power of arrest. However, this authority is limited to school property. The law enforcement powers of deputy sheriffs, on the other hand, extend throughout their county, and, in certain circumstances, such as fresh pursuit or other statutory authorizations, can be exercised statewide. Here, Lieutenant McClendon was likely cross-commissioned, meaning that he has a role with the school police, but has also been concurrently sworn in under the sheriff, so he legally carries both authorities. This type of cross-commissioning provides law enforcement agencies with flexibility and promotes interagency cooperation.
My supervisor's coming out.
I'll teach you nonverbal. You just made me miss it. That's what you just did. You could have told me, have a nice day. That's what you should have said. You saw my credentials. Have a nice day.
I wish I could have, but I have to investigate. I have to investigate.
You got my phone number and called me. I could have sent that to you.
I have to investigate potential impersonators. That is not at all what it is.
Oh, see,
I didn't even
you had
see
to go
what they
there.
were.
Jeez, everything isn't
I
that.
cannot, you requested my supervisor.
You're making the first guys mentioning
You are
this.
not fake. You are not. No, sir,
Do
you
you
are not.
understand what you just did or what you're doing?
Sir, I have to.
Okay, as a lieutenant colonel, I would tell you, this guy, I wouldn't follow this guy out of curiosity. I mean, seriously, I see nothing here that would indicate to me that he has the merit to lead officers when the officer here appears to be doing exactly what he's supposed to be doing. And it could have been resolved so much easily by him just making his own call to his department.
It's graduating.
I don't care about your
Thank you for
graduation.
saying. Hold on.
Okay.
Say that again.
This is
So
a traffic stop.
a judge can see how ignorant you are.
This is a traffic stop, okay?
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not, because I didn't
Yes,
violate
sir,
the
it
law.
is. Yes,
Well,
you did.
your vehicle
You
isn't
also-
registered coming back.
You're 21 years old. You said you don't care. Did you not say that?
Sir,
Yes or no?
Go ahead, Lot
the
Henry.
reason for the stop.
Los Hampton.
What law did I violate?
Henry,
What
Adam,
law did I
Mary,
violate?
Paul, Tom, Ezra,
I
Lauren,
told you
Thurston,
3
Henry.
times.
I told on the blank.
Numbers 4,
I told
30,
you
90.
3
You got behind
You're
me.
gonna be
You saw a black
299
man.
There's also a
So, yeah, but we have a
It's
lot.
also- It's also a possible impersonator.
Impersonating what?
And blue
How am
light.
I impersonating
If I
officer?
can't, if I cannot,
How am I impersonating officer?
I cannot see your.
You
Show me
didn't
your
have
name.
credentials.
Well, I think he probably needs a little bit more training because there's been quite a few incidents actually, and this is getting to be more and more serious, and actually people murdered by impersonators. So he's a little out of touch. Maybe he's been in the school a little bit too long here to have this debate with a trooper that's on the scene all the time and sees these things in the field. Nothing against the school guy, but if you haven't been on the street, maybe you're a little behind the times there, Lieutenant Commander.
I cannot see your uniform.
Sir, can we just step over here out of the roadway? I don't want you in the roadway. That's not safe.
Officer Adams states that Lieutenant McClendon could potentially be impersonating a police officer. Under Section 16-10-23 of the Georgia Code, it is a felony for an individual to falsely hold themselves as a peace officer with the intent to mislead others into believing that they are actually law enforcement. The statute does not require that the individual complete an arrest or actually exercise police authority. Rather, the offense is complete if the person intentionally presents themselves as an officer in order to deceive. For example, in 2021, Savannah police arrested Donald Williams Jr. after he drove with flashing blue lights mounted in his car while wearing a badge and a reflective vest labeled police. He was charged under the impersonation and blue light statutes, demonstrating how the combination of an unmarked vehicle with unauthorized blue lights and police-style apparel can constitute impersonating a peace officer. Here,
That's scary as hell,
McClendon's
actually.
vehicle was equipped with blue lights without the permit required for unmarked vehicles, and he was wearing an out-of-jurisdiction police uniform and displaying a badge. Well, given this evidence, it is likely that a court would conclude that Officer Adams had at least reasonable suspicion to detain Lieutenant McClendon to investigate whether he was actually a law enforcement officer or if he was impersonating one.
Well, I'd still prefer you be on this side and not this side with the moving traffic.
Yes.
Let's go.
You see this, how I'm a higher rank guy is just totally making this worse.
That's fine. It's a little safer over here, not in the roadway. You've been doing this a lot longer than I have, sir. You're fine.
My son's awards, artists.
Okay.
Right.
We know.
I understand your frustration. I just like to be safe. Yes, sir.
That's my name and badge number, like you requested. 9130.
The 4-digit number is his badge number. The 4-digit number is his badge number.
What's your supervisor's name?
3.
Copy.
We
Yeah.
have them on the way.
Sergeant LaCour. Sergeant LaCour. If you want to step over here, we can write all this down. Okay, then I'm not going to come over there. Yeah. If you want to sit down in there, roll the passenger window down. I don't want to be on that side of the road. All right, so it's going to be SGT.
I'm a little hungry too.
Last name. No, you're fine. You want the information, we'll give you the information. So the name is going to be Lecroy. Croy. LaCroy. Yes, sir.
Number or anything?
You can dial 770-288-8200. When it prompts you for uniform patrol, you can click that. I don't know what number it is.
Do you want me to write out all 50?
8200.
As we're calming down, I'm going to call my wife.
Here's happened to 26 by Memorial Signal 54 on North Oakland Circle, Zone 11. Caller advises people are smoking 38B and drinking alcohol.
You good?
Advise 3 or 5 miles in the driveway, out the rental, given their
Did you call him? Yeah, when I tried to call you, it went straight to voicemail. If you want me to call him, they don't come out. He's more than able to call them. We complete the traffic stop, and then if he wants to pull over safely somewhere and wait for a supervisor, he can call them and make contact with them. They're not going to come out, though.
What's that?
They're not
The
going to come
resort
out.
just turned the
Supervisor's not
lights
gonna come out.
off.
He's going to have to call them.
Sir, do you have your driver's license with you just so I can validate who's the driver?
As I'm fired up, man. I'm missing my baby's coming, man.
I understand. I'm sorry for making you late.
Just got these. Couldn't see.
Yes, sir.
Reach into my bag where there's a weapon inside, okay?
That's fine. You have one on your hip.
To be honest with you, I don't know what this tag is.
Well, yeah, see? If he doesn't
I'm not
know,
sure if he's about to go 10-8.
could have
or if he
addressed
wants
that,
to
just said we'll
come
get
out
it
here on
fixed.
the scene. Adam's phone's is
3
not working.
minutes into the discussion.
What?
Yeah, even our VIN's not going for a big bag.
Yeah, so I got to see if a sergeant is clear.
They're around their car. Now, we have to wait.
So how is that the other cop's problem if
I'm
it's a new truck?
I'm out here with Adams on his traffic stop. He has stopped another police officer. Police officer is upset. He's requesting supervisor. I told Adams to inform him. I gave him information, all of that.
Well, we still haven't addressed why the lights were on either.
Okay, so he's on the. So that's what
he wasn't on a
Adam
call.
said when he tried to call out, his phone kept disconnecting. I said, let me call one and see where they're at. So okay, someone's on the way then. 81 in Mitchell. I mean, just past Mount Carmel on 81. Sergeant Phillips is on his way. Okay, say again, I'm sorry. I don't know. When I pulled up, they were on the fog line. I asked him several times to get on the other side. He said he's done this for 32 years. I said, I understand, but I am big on safety. And then he said something like his son is autistic and he's on his way to something. Don't me, I thought it was like a concert or something. I'm not 100% sure, but he asked for all the information. I gave him all the information. He's sitting back in his car, and that's when I asked Adams. I said, "What is going on?" And he said, "I'm trying to call the supervisor. I don't know if they're on the way out here." I said, "I'll call them real quick." Okay, that works. That's all. I'm just gonna stand by, just to stand by. Okay. Okay, perfect.
Sorry, I have my lieutenant and my sergeant coming out.
Good, man. I need to get this thing to the school for his awards thing. I'm late.
All right. Let me give him a call real quick and see if it's good to let you go, okay?
They're both on the way.
Okay.
Now that could have been done earlier
He's saying
too.
he just wants to leave.
Is your phone messed up?
I guess. I don't know. I think it keeps disconnecting from the Wi-Fi.
Yes, it kept going straight to voicemail when I called to see if you were good. That's why I came out.
Hey, he's just saying he's trying to get out of here. Do y'all still want to come out here?
He's the one that asked for him.
His nonverbal autistic daughter's graduation or son's graduation, one of the two. Just the cruise lights. No, originally I stopped him because the tag wasn't coming back for anything, so I was gonna confirm it was actually registered. And then obviously the blue lights, I wanted to make sure it wasn't someone impersonating. I am. Clayton County SO, I guess he says he's the commander over SROs.
Ready. What be tagged until you know? 10-4.
No, he wasn't like making anybody move out of the way. He has. Sir, do you want to see my supervisors? Or?
I got to go to this graduation.
Okay. He said no. He just wants to go to the graduation. Do what?
You got a speaker? You got a speaker?
Yeah.
What's his name?
Hold on. He wants to talk to you on speaker.
Hey, sir.
Sergeant Phillips.
Hey, man. I'm a little upset right now. I'm good, but my son is autistic nonverbal, and I'm late to his award ceremony. He graduates this year. I'm diabetic. I have an 8, so everything is going fast right now. And I need to get So
You need to radio.
let him calm down.
Can you give me another 1011 and attach it to the Acadian drive home?
Yeah, I was upset, man. I told him to calm down now. But I got to get to this award ceremony because this is last year in school. And I'm hungry, too. Yeah, so I told him I'm good. Oh, yeah. Deal with it every day, I know. Yep. Okay, man. Hey, man, you did your job, man. I'm just, you see this right here?
I do.
Finally acknowledges it.
All right, everything good. Just let him head out.
314, 302, you can take 22.
Sarge,
Yeah, okay.
you straight? Okay. Okay. Thank you, sir. Sorry for the inconvenience. Okay.
Y'all, I got a wife. Trust.
All right, have a good day.
All right.
Have a good one, sir.
All right. So here's my view on this, right? So my legal analysis, it was a good stop. And my colonel advice is, come on, really? From both sides. So first of all, the whole I'm senior to you, I got by, how dare you? That's sort of like, instead of just answering the questions, look, you know, when you say when you pull rank, that's a management thing. That's not a leadership thing. And if you're supposed to be the lieutenant commander, you should be leading people. At the end of the day, all of this took, I don't know, half an hour, and it should have taken 3 minutes. Hey, I'll call my department. Yeah, there's something jacked up on those plates. Yeah, let me take care of it. Hey, you good? I go now. Check my verify me. Here, let me get my department. All that stuff could have been done in 5 minutes. Well, that's what happens when you got to play I'm bigger rank than you are. Okay, until the next time. But next time we'll probably not be on the beach here in Koh Samui, Thailand. But until the next time, this is Wolf 6 from the beach at the Wolfgram Worldwide R&R out here.